What a crazy Friday was, a massive short interest for a lot of stock. The price is hitting all-time lows for this month. What we should expect, where the support for many stocks that we should hunt for. We saw Netflix went all-time low because the last earning. Nvidia went down around really nice juicy price support. Let's get right to it and see the whole market and what we should expect for Monday and how we be prepared for the next week. Are we gonna see the price gravitate even down, or we're gonna see a price reversal for a lot of stocks? So let's start with Indo. Perfect bounce around the 14 as we anticipated. The price hit the rejection around the 29, went down. And what we said before as well, we need to hold above our exponential average and buying above the 17. Buying pressure happened, and right now by Monday we're gonna see a test for 22.23. This will be a turning point for Indo to see the price go above again to confirm there's a buying pressure. Otherwise we're gonna see the 11.28. Nvidia got rejected again around the 230. That's why the price went parabolic around the 200, didn't hold. We went until the 195. We expecting a spike for the next week for this box. This is for my opinion, a price value for Nvidia. A really nice dip to buy Nvidia at. I will average down from now because this is really interesting price right now for Nvidia. We're gonna see a reversal, and after we reverse, we're gonna have the price test at least for this month around the 211. As everybody knows, Nvidia is really volatile from just looking at the chart. Tesla is still holding above our exponential average after the nice earning that we have last week, and the price jumped 11% up, then went down because the market is mostly is down. Even the SPY, you see the SPY is went down. However, the SPY still have a support to test and reverse at, and that's what is expected for a lot of stock. Will have a bit of reversal after the SPY will bounce back from the 420. If we hold for the SPY for above the 420, we're gonna expect again retest for the 454. If we have this reaction, just mark my price for Nvidia. We're gonna see a reversal for Nvidia. We're gonna see a reversal even for Indo and CAI. And for CAI, different story because the price went down because fundamental news about the 10K, and the CEO just tweeted the last week there's something missing in the 10K filing. That's why we have the 20 of the next month the deadline with SEC. There's still anticipation for the price for CEI to bounce from the 0.70, and predicted the price before the market opened. What we said, we need to hold above the 0.77, and we held it and test this level around the exponential average. So right now our exponential average is acting as a resistance. By the next week we're gonna confirm this as a resistance or not. If we never overcome it and close above the 0.88, this will confirm the price continuation around the 0.70. We might do triple bottom here until we get the 10K filing and the date. This will be a turning point because there's anticipation, a lot of investors waiting for the price or the 10K to be filed. That's why the price will go above the $1 and gap this time. That's why we didn't overcome this resistance and short seller war in control. Let me go to the other one that we didn't cover before, MULN. And MULN have a support right now around this gap that we did around the 16th of March. Right now we holding perfectly above the $1.36, and we bounce before the market close. Right now we need to hold this level in order to confirm one thing only, testing the $2 to confirm the bullish continuation up. Otherwise we're gonna have the 0.75. Just be careful, this is last support for buying pressure, and we need to test the $2. There's a big chance that next week we're gonna see a test for the $2 if we hold above the $1.36. Next up we have AEI. So for AEI, as we talked about, 0.59 is the resistance for Monday and the support. If we continue to go down, we're gonna have this massive important support to hold to confirm that we're still in consolidation mode and not entering in bearish trend, because right now we're still sideways around the 0.40. If we hold and accumulate, we anticipate that the price will overcome the 0.59 and then test the 0.70 1. Let me go to the other few stocks that went up. CTRM, Lkco, and SunDL holding a perfect support for each one of them, because CTRM, we have kind of fundamental news triggered the price here when we have the gap. That's why the price went up. And right now we have a support to confirm to hold for CTRM above the $2.13, and resistance for the next week do $2.80. If we overcome it, this will be a massive squeeze for CTRM. Next one, we have Lkco still holding this ascending line and doing higher lows from below. 1, 2, 3. If we hold Lkco, we're gonna have the turning point will be the 0.62 for Lkco. We might see the $1 next time if we hold this level of support and overcome the resistance around the 0.62. Lastly, we have SunDL as well, the same as Lkco, the same reaction. We have 1, 2, and 3, and still holding the ascending line from below. The turning point will be the 0.6850. This will be a turning point as well for SunDL. Gonna do a pre-market update for our Patreon hunter stocks and crypto. Request a stock from you, so join us and build a strategy before the market open, because we do it daily on Patreon. So without further ado, hopefully that was informative. Hopefully you have a nice weekend, and see you in the next update.